नमस्ते, मैं shailaji.com से बात कर रही हूँ। मैं शैला वसुनाथ हूँ। हाँ, आप कैसे हैं? अच्छा, अब आप सोच रहे होंगे कि मैं क्या कर रही हूँ। Today you might be wondering what I'm talking on the phone, and finally you would have got to know that I'm doing something on telephone. Exactly, you are right. You people are very smart. My viewers are really smart. You know very well that I'm talking about telephone. Yes. So you would have heard me speaking the basic phrases, the conversation, how it would start. So last year, right? That means my last video, I had done about the New Year resolutions. Then I spoke about how to wish people in different ways. So that I had done. Recently, we have been doing a lot of conversational videos, and this is my first video for 2021. Again, I would like to wish you all a शानदार मतलब साल होगा आपके लिए. So it might be a wonderful or a fantastic year this year, hopefully, for all of us. Think positive. Let us all hope in a positive way. And I'm going to start this time with a telephonic conversation. And first thing, what do we require? When we do telephonic conversation, main thing, whichever language you would be speaking, you need to be polite. You need to be very polite to people when you speak on the phone. The person who's talking to you might not be, they don't know who you are, but by your voice, they judge you. So you should give a very good impression to them with your voice. And what are the different kinds of phrases we can use, or what kind of conversation could be expected, and which way we can reply for that. So those kind of phrases or sentences, I would be doing it today. And I'll be giving you some words. I have some vocabulary on the board. Based on that vocabulary, I would be elaborating on the phrases and the sentences. So these are common things now. And one more thing, nowadays we use a lot of gadgets, mainly for online classes or Zoom or whatever, doing online, a lot of virtual classrooms and all that we talk about. So when we spend most of our time on phone, we need to know what we could speak to, or you might be talking to a client in North India, or you might be talking to a person who speaks Hindi, how to improve your conversation. And you know very well, all our videos are from English to Hindi. So you learn Hindi through English. So you are learning two languages. As I'm teaching you, you learn two. Those people who don't know English or know only Hindi, they can learn English through Hindi. And those people who are learning Hindi and know English are learning Hindi through English. So before talking more about the telephonic conversation, please do watch my video till the end so that you will not miss out a lot of vocabulary and phrases. So, and a lot of interesting talk. Let us go into the video. Now, I have given you telephonic conversation. In Hindi, I have written telephone mein baatcheet. Actually, telephone matlab दूरभाष. Okay, telephone means दूरभाष, but we use it only in technical, letters, official letters. So formally we use it. That's why I have not used it, because our conversation are not too formal. So I'm going to give it for the way we speak in general, right? So when we speak like that, we don't say दूरभाष में बातचीत. No, that looks little, yeah. So let us go in general terms. Telephone में बातचीत. बातचीत means conversation. So that I've given here the heading, telephonic conversation or telephone में बातचीत. Now let us go to the first word. First thing, when you take up your call, so what do? If it is English, we say hello, good morning, happy morning. We say that in English. When we are going to do it in Hindi, we say namaste. So that is the namaskar or namaste. So it depends on the Indian style of telling it, right? So namaste. The first thing we have to do is namaste. So when I was talking also, I said namaste, right? Then what do? we say like I'm calling from this particular place, or you would say मैं so and so, as I told, मैं shailaji.com से बात कर रही हूँ. So I'm calling from shailaji.com, right? मैं शैला वसुनाथ हूँ. I'm शैला वसुनाथ. क्या मैं कुशल से बात कर सकती हूँ? Okay. May I talk to Kushal, or can I talk to Kushal? So when I'm saying that, बात करना. So can I talk to so and so person? Now when you're talking on landline, so there is difference between a mobile and talking on landline. So when we talk on landline, we don't know who's going to pick the call. So generally what you say, you don't know who's on the line. So you can say like, क्या मैं so and so से बात कर सकती हूँ और सकता हूँ. I am talking, so I am telling everything in feminine gender. Otherwise, if it's a male, you can say सकता हूँ. The next one is बताना. So generally what do we do when we are talking to someone? We would say like, you please tell him that I have called. तो आप ज़रा बताइए कि हमने फ़ोन किया है या हमने कॉल की है. So please tell that we had called him. So that is how we use it. So tell is a word where we use it in many places. I am giving you in this telephonic conversation. The next one is madad karna. Madad karna means to help. So generally when we call, what we do, we ask, may I help you? We ask, क्या मैं आपकी मदद कर सकती हूँ? क्या मैं आपकी मदद करूँ? So we ask like that, may I help you? So this way we would be asking. So और क्या मैं मदद करूँ? मैं आपको कैसे मदद करूँ? How could I help you? So that way also we ask, क्या मैं कैसे आपको मदद करूँ? So that way also we ask, how could I help you? Now the next one is जानना. जानना means to know. क्या मैं जान सकता हूँ कि आप कौन हैं? May I know who you are? So when we ask, क्या मैं जान सकता हूँ कि आप कौन हैं? मतलब who's on the line? So that way also we can ask. The next one, चालू रखना. In case you're on the phone and you would like to call someone. For example, I'm calling from an agency and the phone is being lifted by someone, and you would like to talk to one particular person. That person is not on the line, and the person who's talking to you would say, please hold on, I would be calling. So I would be calling that person. So when they would say please hold on, I would be calling, we can say आप फ़ोन को चालू रखिए. मतलब प्लीज़ कीप इट ऑनलाइन. ओके, कीप इट ऑन होल्ड. तो फ़ोन को आप चालू में रखिए या चालू रखिए. वी कैन ऑल्सो से लाइक, क्या आप फ़ोन चालू रखेंगी? So will you keep the phone on hold? So that way also we can ask. The next one is माफ़ कीजिए. माफ़ कीजिए means excuse me, sorry. So we can use that anywhere. So here also you can say माफ़ कीजिए, आपकी आवाज़ सुनाई नहीं दे रही है. So I am not able to hear your voice. माफ़ कीजिए, आप धीरे बोलिए. So I have used the word धीरे. धीरे means slowly. For instance, sometimes a person who is talking, he might be talking so fast in Hindi, you might not be able to understand what they are trying to speak. You want them to speak slowly so that you will be able to understand. At that time you can say, माफ़ कीजिए, आप धीरे बोलिए. So you please talk slowly so that you can understand. So that sometimes you can say, माफ़ कीजिए, मैं बाद में आपको फ़ोन करता हूँ. So please excuse me, I will call you later. So बाद में फ़ोन करता हूँ या बाद में फ़ोन करूँगा या बाद में फ़ोन करूँगी. So that way you can say बाद में means after. So after I would be calling, that is I will be calling you later. Now की तरफ. की तरफ means on behalf of. Towards also we mean, generally postposition it is called towards, but here की तरफ means on behalf. So you can say like, मैं कंपनी की तरफ से बात कर रहा हूँ. So I'm talking on behalf of the company. So when you're calling on the phone, you can just talk to the other person to whom you're calling. You can say, मैं कंपनी की तरफ से बात कर रहा हूँ. So I'm talking or I'm calling on behalf of the company. क्या आप any name so and so है? So you can ask like that. तो मैं so and so कंपनी की तरफ से बात कर रहा हूँ, क्या आप so and so हैं? So that is another way of talking. So की तरफ. रखना. तो रखना means to keep. अच्छा मैं फ़ोन अब रखती हूँ. So I'll keep the phone or I'll wind up the call. So when we are going to say that, अच्छा मैं फ़ोन रखती हूँ. So that is a way of telling the word, the way you use रखना. समझना means to understand. When I was talking about this situation where they talk very fast, बहुत जल्दी जल्दी बात करते हैं, they talk very fast. So that time you will say, मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. I am not able to understand. मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है और आ रही है. Okay, समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. So I am not able to understand. तो आप क्या बात कर रहे हैं? So what are you talking? मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. I am not able to understand. आप धीरे बोलिए. Please talk softly or talk slowly or in low voice so that I would be able to understand. So मैसेज छोड़ना, leave a message. तो अगर sometimes we give voice message and all that, right? We have lot of technology now that we can do messaging in any way, in text form or voice form or video form. So many things are there. तो message छोड़ना means leave a message. अच्छा, you are not able to talk, so आप क्या करेंगे? अच्छा, I would like to leave a message. मैं एक मैसेज छोड़ना चाहती हूँ. That is, I would like to leave a message. So, मैं एक मैसेज छोड़ना चाहती हूँ आपके लिए. For you, I would like to leave a message. I have already used this word धीरे. So आप धीरे बोलिए. So please speak softly or slowly. बाद में also I have said, like बाद में हम कांटेक्ट करेंगे या बाद में फ़ोन करूँगी. बाद जब वो वापस आएंगे तो आप बताइए, हम बाद में कॉल करेंगे. सो व्हेन ही कम्स बैक यू प्लीज़ इन्फॉर्म हिम, वी विल कॉल हिम बैक. सो दैट वे ऑल्सो बाद में. बुलाना, हम बाद में बुलाएंगे. सो वी विल कॉल बैक. बुलाना इज़ टू कॉल. तो आप कहाँ से बुला रहे हैं? सो फ्रॉम वेयर आर यू कॉलिंग? फॉर दैट यू यूज़ आप कहाँ से बुला रहे हैं. सो फ्रॉम वेयर आर यू कॉलिंग. मिलना, सो अभी कॉल मिल नहीं रहा है. सो आई एम नॉट एबल टू गेट योर कॉल. तो दैट वे ऑल्सो वी से मिलना. दैट इज देयर इज मिलना इज टू गेट. ओके, टू मीट. मिलना, देयर इज मैं आपसे मिलना चाहती हूँ. आई वुड लाइक टू मीट यू. सो दैट इज़ वन, मिलना. अनदर वन इज कॉल नहीं मिल रहा है. So I'm not able to get the call. I'm not able to call that person. That means the call is busy. तो इसी वजह से मैं आपसे कॉल कर नहीं पा रही हूँ. I'm not able to call you और कॉल मिल नहीं रहा है. That means it's not going through. Might be engaged हो सकता है. दोहराना. So दोहराना means to repeat. Sometimes you're not able to hear a person's call or the voice. आप दोहराइए. Please repeat it. So when you are not able to hear properly, the voice is too feeble, so you might say आप दोहराइए. So please repeat it. So that is the word we use. दोहराना means to repeat. That is to tell it again. दूसरी. So sometimes what happens, you might be talking, you get another call. मैं दूसरी call में हूँ, so I am on the other call. So that way also. So दूसरी कॉल, या यू कैन से दूसरे मतलब और एक फ्रेंड से बात कर रही हूँ, और आई एम टॉकिंग टू अनदर फ्रेंड. सो दैट इज़ हाउ दूसरी कॉल वी से, नो, द सेकेंड कॉल. द नेक्स्ट वन, आवाज़ टूट रही है. समटाइम्स व्हाट हैपन्स, यू हैव दिस नेटवर्क इश्यूज. एट दैट टाइम यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू स्पीक प्रॉपरली. द पर्सन हु इज टॉकिंग, ही इज़ नॉट ऑडिबल, एंड इट व्हाट हैपन्स, द वॉइस क्रैक्स. So आवाज़ टूट रही है. That is, the voice is cracking. So that is called, आपकी आवाज़ टूट रही है. आपकी आवाज़ सुनाई नहीं दे रही है. Your voice is not heard. आपकी आवाज़ टूट रही है. Your voice is cracking. So that is, आवाज़ टूट रही है. The next one, सुनाई देना. That means not able to hear. So that time what you say, सुनाई देना means to be heard. आपकी आवाज़ सुनाई नहीं दे रही है. Your voice is not heard. सुनाई देना is that. टुकड़ों में आना. That means when you're talking, sometimes what happens, a voice comes in bits and pieces. You'll not be able to. तो आपकी आवाज़ टुकड़ों में आ रही है. That means in small pieces and bits, no, it's coming. So you'd say that आपकी आवाज़ टुकड़ों में आ रही है. आप फिर से कॉल कीजिए या दोबारा कॉल कीजिए. दोबारा मीन्स अगेन. सो रिपीट द कॉल. ओके, आप दोबारा कॉल कर दीजिए. सो दैट इज़ अनदर वे. द नेक्स्ट वन, ऊंचा या ज़ोर से बोलना. तो ऊंचा बोलना या ज़ोर से बोलना. ऊंचा बोलना मीन्स टू टॉक लाउड. तो आप ऊंचा बोलिए, दैट मीन्स प्लीज़ टॉक, या ऊंची आवाज़ में बोलिए, प्लीज़ टॉक अ लिटिल लाउडर. Then जोर से बोलिए means louder again. So these two can be used. Both ऊंचा बोलना या ऊंची आवाज़ में बोलना या ज़ोर से बोलना, to speak out loud. So that way, lot of I think we have used lot of vocabulary to converse through phone. So how you would be doing the conversation? There are so many other words, but if we take everything into one video, it will become too lengthy. So I thought we will take few words which are really important and which would be helping you to speak in Hindi on the phone to someone else. So when you're on the call to someone, you can now confidently speak in Hindi. Don't you think it is quite easy nowadays to speak in Hindi? You might be watching all my videos. Please do watch all my spoken Hindi videos or the conversational videos which are on the playlist. It will surely help you because I've given on various topics I'm trying to cover which will be useful for regular usage. So please don't miss my playlist. Please watch it. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Click the bell icon so that you get my latest notification. Until then, फिर मिलेंगे. नमस्ते.